Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss these problems. Just 5 to 6 marks problems they may ask like this, okay, and just two type problems we have to discuss now. See here, show that the following quadratic form is a positive definite, okay. They have given equation. This equation is nothing but a quadratic form, okay, and this quadratic form equation is positive definite or not, we are going to check here, okay. So they have mentioned here quadratic form, okay. While discussing the theory part, I said that quadratic form is nothing but x transpose px, okay. This is what quadratic equation. So consider here quadratic equation x transpose px. So expand this equation, solve this equation, and whatever equation you are getting, compare that equation with the given equation and take the coefficients and check whether the quadratic form is positive or not, okay. So for that comparison I have to write the equation for this quadratic form. So x means what? A column matrix, right? See here, first before that, how many variables are there in this equation? Check it here. x1 other, x2 80, x3 other, okay. Check here, only 3 variables are there here in this equation. So 3 variables exist here. X is equal to x1, x2, x3. You know that x is always a column matrix, so write it in the column. 3 variables are there, x1, x2, x3, okay. X idu, okay. X transpose andre enu? Column ididna row transpose madri, x1, x2, x3, okay. Middle is the what? P matrix. P is a square matrix. Here there are 3 variables, therefore it is a 3 cross 3 matrix, okay. P11, P12, P13, 21, 22, 23, 31, 32, 33. Okay. So that here, next, multiply all these 3 matrices. First you have to multiply x transpose into P. After that, whatever you are getting that matrix, that into x matrix, right? So first you have to multiply here row into column, okay. x1 into P11 plus x2 P21 plus x3 P31, first element, okay. Next, x1 P12 plus x2 P22 plus x3 P32, second element, this is, okay. Next, x1 P13 x2 P23 plus x3 P33, third element, okay. Next, this matrix multiply with x matrix, okay. First row into column, first element, second element, third element, you have to multiply. First element multiply with x1, okay. P11 x1 square plus P21 x1 x2 plus 31 x1 x3. In equation na x1 multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, okay. Next, this equation multiply with x2, okay. Next, multiply here, this third equation multiply with x3, okay. See, write the equation, how the equation is, check here. P11 x1 square, like this you are getting the equation. P is a symmetric matrix, right? Symmetric matrix means what? Here, whatever opposite elements are there, those should be same, okay. Opposite elements should be same, okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 ಅದ 1 3 ಅದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 1, okay. 2 1 is equal to 1 2, 3 1 is equal to 1 3, 3 2 is equal to 2 3, okay. Opposite element should be same, therefore I am writing here 1 2 is equal to 2 1, 1 3 is equal to 3 1, 2 3 is equal to 3 2. Therefore I am writing here same elements, because P matrix is a symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix andre opposite elements, diagonal elements bittu, these are the what diagonal elements are 1 1 2 2 3 3. Opposite elements of these are same, therefore it is called a symmetric matrix. So we got the equation like this. Substitute here 1 2 idalli 2 1, 1 3 idalli 3 1, sorry 3 1 idalli 1 3 and 3 2 idalli 2 3 substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದೇ substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, okay. Therefore this is your final expression. P11 x1 square, P22 x2 square, P33 x3 square, P12 x1 x2, okay. See how to remember this equation, check here. x1 3 variables idava, square ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square, okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ x1 ಅನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಸರಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x1 into x1 1 1, right? Therefore coefficient right here P11, okay, plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ x2 square ಅದ, x2 into x2 2, x2 into x2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 2, P22 x2 x2, is it clear? Coefficient is P22. Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ x3 square ಅದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x3 into x3, therefore 3 3, P33 into x3 x3, is it clear? Next, plus x1 square x2 square x3 3 ಆಯ್ತು, okay. Next plus ಇವೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 2 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 into P12, P23, P33. Okay, P12 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ P11 ಆಯ್ತಾ, P22 ಆಯ್ತು, P33 ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, P12 ಬರಿಬೇಕು, P12 ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು P12 ಅದ, ಎರಡು ಅದಾವ P12, 2P12 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅದ, x1 x2. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಇದು x1 ಇದು x2. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ P13 ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು P13 ಅದ, 2P13 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಅದ, x1 x3. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ P23 ಒಂದದ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು P23 ಒಂದದ, ಎರಡು 2P. ಓಕೆ, 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ P23. ಓಕೆ, 2P23 ಇದು 2 ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಅದ, therefore this is x2 and this is x3. x2 x3. Is it getting? See here, this is the quadratic equation. By theory we are writing here the quadratic equation. Compare this equation to the given equation. See the given equation. So for the compare with this equation. Is it clear? So compare the coefficient of the x. Okay, ಇವೆರಡು equation ಬರ್ದಿನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Okay, x1 square coefficient ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ P11 is equal to 8. x2 coefficient ನೋಡ್ರಿ P22 is equal to 1. x3 square coefficient ಏನದ P33 is equal to 4. And ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗತ್ತ 2P12 is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದ 2. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ x2 x3 coefficient ಏನದಲ್ಲಿ 2P23 is equal to -2. ಓಕೆ, 2P13 is equal to -4. therefore P12 is equal to 2/2. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, P23 is equal to ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ -2 ಬರಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. 2 times P23 is equal to -2. Compare the coefficients and get the values of P matrix. Write the matrix form elements. X transpose P values ಬರೀರಿ x. Okay, so minor of any element you have to select it. Okay, so usually in ಮಾಡ್ರಿ first 4 elements ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, determinant you have to find it. Okay, 8 1 1 8. first element ಏನದ 8 ಅದ, this is greater than 0, right? first element should be greater than 0. this we called as a Sylvester's criterion. Okay, then minor of any element 8 1 1 1 determinant ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 7 7 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, 8 into 1 minus 1 into 1 7. it should be greater than 0. So and full P matrix determinant you do it, you are getting here 20 is almost greater than 0. So all values should be greater than 0. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ, ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅದಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 0 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮೈನರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 0 ಅಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 0. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ greater than 0, hence it is a positive definite. Okay, greater than 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ positive value, so it is a positive definite matrix. Okay, shortcut see here. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಗಿವನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಗಿವನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ x1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, x2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, x3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ P11, x1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 1, x2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 2, P22, x3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 3 3, P33. ಓಕೆ, P11 is 8, P22 is 1, P33 is 4. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಉಳ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ x1 x2 ಅದ, ಇದು P12. ಓಕೆ, 2P12 is equal to 2. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ x1 x3 ಅದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 3 ಅದ, P13 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ P13 is equal to -4. ಯಾಕೆ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇವೆರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, therefore 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು x2 x3 P23, 2 times P23 is equal to -2, therefore P23 is equal to -1. Okay, so here write the all P values, P matrix values, then your direct see the mass. If it is 4 mass, direct you can write it. If it is 6 7 mass, do it neatly. First you have to write this equation and compare the coefficients and then write the comments, right? This is one type of problems. Next, determine stability of a non-linear system. Non-linear system ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. Non-linear system ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರೊಸೋವಸ್ಕಿ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಕ್ರೊಸೋವಸ್ಕಿ ಒಳಗ ಯಾವಾಗೂ equation ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ 1 2 3 like this equation they are giving. Okay, non-linear ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. x1 dot ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, x2 dot ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. This is f1, this is f2. Two functions they have given. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ, stability ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. Okay, so Lyapunov function select ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. v is equal to, okay, how many variables are there here? Only two variables, two state equations, two variables. Therefore you have to write here norm of that equation x1 square plus x2 square. ಯಾವುದೇ equation ಕೊಡಲಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. only two variables are there, x1 square plus x2 square. if they give three variables in this equation, x3 dot ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರ x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. is it clear? Therefore function you have to consider x1 square plus x2 square. this is the assumed function. okay, three variables ಇದ್ರೆ plus x2 x3 square extra ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. okay, then this is a v function. then write here v dot is equal to dv by dt, right? Therefore I am writing here dv by dou x1 dou x1 by dou t plus dou v by dou x2 by dou t. x1 cancel adre dou v by dt with respect to x1 and this is with respect to x2. so expand this equation. Right here dou v by dou x1, v equation na differentiate with respect to x1 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ and v equation differentiate with respect to x2 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. okay, dou v by dou x1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2x1 plus 0 with respect to x2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 plus 2x2. okay, next ಇಲ್ಲಿನದ dou x1 by dou t, dou x2 by dou t ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು x1 dot ಇದು x2 dot. the given equation they have given x1 dot x2 dot. okay, write it here. next, substitute v dot ಒಳಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. dou by dou x1 by dou t, dou by dou x2 by dou t. ಇದನ್ನ equation ಬರ್ರಿ. dou by dou x1 ಎಷ್ಟದ 2x1 ಅದ. this is x1 dot given equation plus dou by dou x2 is 2x2 and this is the x2 dot given. okay, next multiply equation rearrange. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 2x1 common ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ. remaining is 1 minus 2x1 x2 minus 2x2 square. okay, so here minus v dot is a minus, so that v dot is nothing but dv by dt. it is a negative definite. Lyapunov criteria satisfied. okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದೆ v function v is a positive ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ v dot ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ negative definite. hence the system is asymptotically stable. okay, so ಇದು ನಾನ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರ ಈ ತರ v ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರೀದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರ v is equal to x1 square plus x2 square. ಮೂರು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಮೂರು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರ 3 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರ ಪ್ಲಸ್ x3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. x1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ x2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ x3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ v ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ v ಡಾಟ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಅದ್ರೊಳಗ v dot ಬರೆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ v equation with respect to x1, with respect to x2, with respect to x3. okay, substitute in the equation and rewrite the equation, write the comment. okay, these two types of problems are important, and next video again two more type of problems are there. ಒಂದು Krasowski method, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು Lyapunov direct method. Very important problems. okay, that those two important problems we have to discuss in the next videos.